2007 Ford Mustang GT, 4.6 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory H-pipe into 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And we continued that 2 1/4 pipe there and there into 4-inch angle cut black tips. Right there and right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Ford GT, 4.6 liter. Yep. Sound decibels, go ahead. 111 on the sound decibels, dude. That's loud.
Yeah.
Go ahead and back it up. Ford Mustang GT.